Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can uninstall app updates on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on apps. Next, go down the list here and open up an app that you would like to uninstall the update. So let's say I'm going to choose Chrome, and then tap on the option key at the top, then tap on uninstall updates. And so here, replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. This affects all users of this device, including those with work profiles. Now next, tap on the OK button to proceed. And that's it. So that is how you can uninstall an app update on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.